Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your headphones Elite Atlas Aero from the application. And let's get started with open the application. In the application we have no button to remove this headset from the application, so we have two options. We can turn off these headphones, so press power button, and now as you can see it's non-active. And if we close it and open it, it will see that it will say that we need to connect. You need to connect a headset. Now the second option. Let's open it. It should connect to the application. Yeah, we have connected. And the second option is to remove a dongle from your PC. So just remove it, and now we have the same dongle I have in my hands. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.